The official announcement has been made for the DVL program, DV Lottery Program 2026. The official date for the online registration is finally out. Maybe some of us are new to hear this, or they have been hearing about America Lottery but don't know what it is actually. Alright, so DV Lottery program is one of the easiest ways that you can use to relocate or move to United States. And with this program, if you are lucky and you get opportunity to move through this DV lottery, you enjoy a lot of benefits. You will get your green card, which is automatically. Alright, so in this video I will take you to their official website where the announcements was made. You know the online registration, duration date, the qualification and the eligibility countries for now, because if I'm to do everything in one video it would take a lot. So let's get into it. Alright, so when you visit travel.state.gov, the official government website here is it, and if you scroll down here you'll see the DV Lottery 2026 program online registration, and this is where you are going to find the online registration date, where it is open from October 2nd and it's going to end on a Tuesday, November 5th noon. That's in the afternoon, that's 12 o'clock. So this is a big opportunity that you don't have to miss. Application is free. You just have to go to their website and submit your application. I'll come up with more videos showing you guys documents that you need for this application or for this registration. This is one of the best opportunities that you need to involve yourself. It's not all that automatic that after you register definitely you are going to get this opportunity, but you need to try your luck on this as you have a lot of benefits if you are lucky to win this opportunity. Alright, so before you start applying for this big opportunity, you need to know whether you qualify or if you are eligible for this program. So the first one is being able to have high school education, as SHS, let me say. So this is what they have stated here. So a high school education means successful completion of formal course of elementary and secondary education comparable to 12 years course in the United States. So let's say if you are in Ghana, Nigeria, or let me say Africa, if you complete the WASI, which means you qualify for this or equivalent to this formal education that we are seeing. So if you are SHS graduate, you are good to go. If you are a teacher or you have completed universities, you are eligible to do that. Alright, and then the other way that you can also qualify for this program is work experience, and let's look at how they have explained this part too. So reading from the site, they are saying if you are qualified with work experience, you must have 2 years of experience in the last 5 years. Alright, so in an occupation which by US Department of Labor definition requires at least 2 years of training or experience that is designated as a job zone 4 and job zone 5, classified in a specific vocational preparation. Okay, that's rating for 7.0 or higher. Alright, so the US Department of Labor provide information on job duties. So there is a link there that will take you to the job that they want you to have at least 2 years of experience in the last 5 years. Alright, so I'll put all these links in the video's description. So if you don't have the educational qualification and you have the work experience, you just have to go to the website and read about the work experience that you are looking for it. If your experience is included, that means you also qualify to apply for this DV lottery program. So take note, these are the two ways: either you have work experience in some vocational job as listed by the US Department of Labor, or you have secondary school education. And also note, this is limited to some specific countries. So if your country is included, you just have to take quickly apply if you have any of the two qualifications. I will come up with more videos showing you guys document that you need for this application or for this registration. So stay tuned for more updates. I'm UNS Prince and I'm out.